So today we're going to do labs with our hydraulic arm that we built. And if you open up your slide deck, you can use your hydraulic arm. If you don't have ping pong or golf balls, use something that is equivalent. Anything that's a little lighter that your hands can grip on your arm would be just fine. And dig it out of something and then time how long it takes you to do that. And then there's some questions there, and then find some cups to stack. And this one is going to be a little harder to do because you only have one person, but you could do this one or you can choose not to. That's up to you. And you can skip that one, is fine. And then just make sure you answer the questions and go ahead and submit your slide deck, and I will you can tear down your hydraulic arm and place it in a bag and set it out for me one of the Mondays that I come drop things off for you. That'd be fantastic. I'll reuse the parts in another lab. All right, have a fantastic day.